How you guys doing? My name is Justin Mergelek, and I've decided to start a YouTube channel cataloging the baseball cards I get, kind of going deeper into specific sets and then doing deep dives into the players. I'm a huge baseball fan, always have been. Currently working at Valentine Sports Academy and Ramp3 Baseball in Stamford, Connecticut, where I am an instructor and a coach for baseball, and baseball cards has been a huge part of my life and one of my biggest hobbies for as long as I can remember, probably going back to when I was 8 years old. And it is really something that has been consistent in my life, so I said, why not start trying to sharing it and do little rundowns on the packs I get and opening them up, because I know what type of enjoyment I get from opening packs. It's a rush. It's the same type of rush that someone who goes to this casino might get. So this is really just serving as an introduction to me, to what this channel is going to be about, but it's going to develop. I can't say that the first 2 or 3 episodes of First Glance Box Breaks, which is going to be the little show I'm going to put together with the cards, is going to stay consistent. The first episode is going to be the Gary V Topps 360 Direct 360 collaboration set. From there, it's going to be random assorted packs, smaller boxes that won't take up too much time. I definitely don't want to bog down this channel with hour-long videos talking about 20 of the same pack from the same box. Rather spread out the love and spread out the timing of which or when I get those memorabilia cards. So hopefully you're interested, you stay tuned, and you learn something about both the cards, the players, and we can make this channel a little success thing I have. So thank you for watching this. Hopefully you subscribe, and hopefully stay tuned for what we have in store.